Hello, everyone. Today we'll walk you through the process of manually adding people to a list in ActiveCampaign. If you're new to ActiveCampaign, check out the link in the description for a free trial. If you're already a user, just log in and let's get started. First, go to the Contacts section and click on Lists. Here you can either create a new list or add people to an existing one. I'll show you how to add to an existing list. Click on the list you want to update. Next, you'll see an option at the top right corner to add a contact. Click on it and enter all the required information. Then you'll see an option to add to list. Select the list where you want to add this contact, click apply, and you're all set. We hope this tutorial helps you manage your contacts more efficiently. If you're interested in building your email list, check out the free course linked in the description below. Learn how my team and I earned $3,493 in commissions while expanding our email list. This training is currently free, so don't miss out. Thank you for watching our video. We really appreciate your support and hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to stay tuned for more great content.